Unitree Robotics recently released a humanoid robot demo showcasing conference room cleanup tasks. In the video, the robot is able to autonomously complete multiple tasks even under heavy external interference. So, how is this actually possible? Throughout the demo, the robot continuously performs a series of tasks, putting markers back into the holder, adjusting the position of a remote control, throwing trash into the bin, replacing bottled water, organizing brochures, finally pushing the chair back under the table. At the same time, staff members are intentionally interfering with the robot, removing target objects mid-task, pulling and dragging the robot's body, moving the trash bin to a different location. Yet the robot is still able to relocalize targets, correct its motion path, regain balance, and continue completing tasks. This demo shows that humanoid robots are moving, little by little, from just executing pre-programmed motions. If you want to learn how humanoid robots achieve real-world tasks like this, join our Humanoid RL Bootcamp in Barcelona. In just 3 days, you'll go from zero to running AI control policies on a real Unitree G1 humanoid robot. You'll train reinforcement learning policies in simulation, work directly with the G1 SDK, and deploy what you build onto a physical humanoid robot. It's hands-on, intensive, and limited to just 50 participants. Whether you are a researcher exploring humanoid robotics or an engineer who wants to build real robot demos fast, this bootcamp is for you. Check the link below to enroll. Spots are going fast. At the core of this breakthrough is one of the most important directions in robotics today, the VLA, Vision Language Action Model. In simple terms, robots can now not only see, but also directly generate actions towards the completion of a task. Unitree's latest upgrade, WVLA 2.0, further builds on the Vision Language Action architecture by adding a world model. This demo highlights 3 key capabilities: multitask execution in a single continuous run, natural language instruction understanding, motion stability under real-world disturbances. Most importantly, even when the robot experiences collisions or when obstacles are moved unexpectedly, it does not freeze or lose its strategy. This suggests the system already has a certain level of online replanning capability. This is a first step in the transition of embodied AI from impressive demos to real-world task scenarios. Let's see what happens next. Follow us because we will be watching closely.